Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to create insightful reports using Google Data Studio. This tool helps you turn raw data into meaningful visuals, perfect for making data-driven business decisions. Let's jump in. Connect your data sources. Start by logging into Google Data Studio and creating a new report. Click on Add Data to link your sources, such as Google Sheets, Google Analytics, or BigQuery. With multiple connectors available, you can pull data from almost anywhere. Design your report. Use the drag and drop interface to add charts, tables, and filters. Customize the layout by selecting specific metrics and dimensions that align with your business goals, like sales performance or website traffic. Add interactivity. Make your reports more engaging by including interactive features, such as date range controls or filter options. This allows viewers to explore the data that matters most to them. Once your report is ready, share it with your team by generating a shareable link or setting permissions for specific users. You can also schedule email deliveries for regular updates. Google Data Studio makes it easy to turn complex data into actionable insights. Do you use Google Data Studio for reporting? Share your tips in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.